Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your username and possibly your password on Spotify. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, when you go onto Spotify, there is no real way where you can find your username right away. If you go onto settings and you go on settings and privacy, everything is related to your data saver, your crossplay, your streaming quality, and then after that, version, terms and condition, privacy and policy, and support, and log out. So there's no way you can see it even if I go back and I go over here and then on my view profile there, you can't find it over here, but you can find it actually if you go into settings and privacy and you scroll down all the way until something called support. Once you're in support, you're going to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner and then you're going to click on account. From account, you're going to click on something called edit profile, and as you can see over up there is my username, but this is basically the string of numbers of which I have my username on. Now, if I go back, there is no way to actually see your password over here. So there's only one way you can do it is actually through if you save the password on your Google account. You can access that by going on to settings, scroll down until security and privacy, accounts, and then Google account security, and then pick whatever account you use. You're probably going to have only one account on. Okay, and then after that you're going to click on your saved passwords and you're going to check out for it there. If you don't find it there, that means you have to change your password and just forgot password and go through that process. If you find it there, then you just find you have just found your Spotify password. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you